Yo, yo, yo! It's me again, Kachao. So, tech guide again, or tech tips. So, the first video was the Hero Tech. Then, most of you probably definitely saw this if you watched the first video for the Hero Tech. So, actually, this is this is not impressive. This is actually kind of stupid because it's not that necessary to max it yet. So I'll tell you why. So I did max it out. So there's nothing to look at it anymore. But doing the unit tech is until I think up until I think here. Up until here, it's still pretty easy. Or maybe up until here. This is still pretty easy. But this four is the hardest actually. Remember how uh how the Hero Tech, the last one, cost. I said this was 700M. Actually, the last one here is actually 700M also. So that is for 1%. That from 4% it will be 5% boost load capacity. It's just boost load capacity. So that's why I said it's kinda stupid or not necessarily to max it yet because it's only boost load capacity for units. So and this is also 700M around. If if I remember it correct, I actually don't remember it clearly if this is the one who cost 700M plus or the last tech for Hero Tech. But one should be almost, I think, 698 something. That is with all the deduction cost, okay? Deduction cost bump. So it is not that necessarily. It not that necessarily needed to be maxed. So it only increased by 1.5 boost load capacity again. But these three is actually worth it. These three because it is unit attack boost, defense boost for unit HP boost. So this will be in general. It will add power whether if you are running a tank main or a missile main or a missile squad. This will uh, it will all benefit from this tech. Okay, so it is worth it to max these three only, okay, not this one. So you're you're if you're going to do that to max it to max it same as what I did. It's up to you actually, but this will cost you a lot. Okay, so just take note on that. So why did I max it? I just want to saw it at max. Okay, that's the only reason why I maxed it. I don't want to see it at 98%. I want it max. Okay, that's the only reason about it. So if you will ever if you ever question or saw so this max unit tech from the first video from my Hero Tech guide or tip. So that is the question. That is the answer. I only maxed it because I want to see it at max and not 98%. Okay? So it's up to you if you will follow this follow what I did or you gonna leave it at 98 or 96 or 94%. So it's up to you guys. Okay? So that's it for the Unitech. So it's up to you guys. Bye bye.